Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. All right, now think of this, okay? Think of this. You're driving, you're having a lot of fun. You're going on a Sunday cruise. You're listening to your music, you're bumping, you're having the best time of your life. You're jolly as can be. Hell, maybe you even got your friends with you. You know, you got the new Starbucks latte purple dragon drink. You know, you sipping on that. You're vibing, you're dancing. You're doing what? You're saying hi to the huzz, and then road work ahead. Yeah. I sure hope it does. But wait. Oh no, not work ahead. Oh no. Now there's something. You're running something over now. Oh no, that's horrible. That's the worst. Oh no. Oh, you're driving up a hill. Your car is totaled. There's no coming back from this. Oh no. Now you got a flat tire. You don't know how to change a flat tire. You never learned how. And now your friends think you're an idiot. But that's okay. Don't worry, because I'm here. I'm going to teach you guys how to change that flat tire. And maybe, hopefully, by the end of this video, you can be a pro mechanic just like me. Okay, so this is my 5th time recording this intro. As you guys could tell by that intro, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the tire on your car because you fell off a cliff and you totaled your car and now you have a flat tire. And the car I'll be using for this video is my personal car, my Subaru Impreza 2018. Let's get into it. Okay, now first you're gonna have to jack off the car. Get out! Jack up the car. You're gonna have to jack up the car. Now you should have the tools in your trunk to do this. Whoa! So this thing right here is what you use. I hope the mic is catching this. You use this to torque up the jack. This thing, you want to know what his name is? His name is Jack. So my tire, someone's calling. Bro, get out of here. So my car has aftermarket lug nuts on it. And if you don't know what lug nuts are, they're the small screws that hold your tire in place. Now, I need to use this, it's called a key, to take them off. So, this is what you're going to use to take off your tires, lug nuts. Nuts? You need to leave! Now these, not every car has these. I used to be cool and low. I used to have coilovers. But due to foreseen circumstances that I could have definitely avoided, I had to take them off. So we don't need these anymore. But I still keep them because of fond old memories. I don't know. Okay, I don't need to take out the spare tire because I'm not doing all that. Now we're gonna jack off the car. All right. Oh, damn, the sun is crazy at this angle. Okay, I had to change angles there. Okay, so you're gonna have to put the jack under the car, but you can't just put it anywhere because the car will break and fall apart. So we need to put it somewhere sturdy, right under the chassis. And if you don't know what the chassis is, it's like the bones of the car. Yeah, okay. And so we're going to do that right now. Watch me struggle to find where it is, even though I've done this 12 times. Yeah, that seems about right. Okay. Now this thing you're going to put it in the loop-de-loop, and I should probably do a better way of explaining this, but I'm not going to, because this is my YouTube video. So, and NGL, you're going to need some muscle to jack this thing up. I forgot that I have the mic on. You know, people always ask me, MJ,
How'd you get so strong? How'd you get those big burly muscles and hot sexy bod? And you know what I tell them? I tell them, oh shoot, you can't curse on this video. I tell them, sweet, alright, almost there, okay, so I'm a bit of an idiot, and I didn't exactly turn this as high as it should have been originally, but it's okay, because we learn from our mistakes. Now, make sure you're seeing this, because this is where my big burly muscles come in. Ugh. I'm not even trying for real. Ugh. Ugh. It is also very cold as balls. You know, people are talking about how some like Siberian winds are gonna come in and terrorize us and make us super cold for a week straight. But you guys are acting like I'd let that happen. I'd never let that happen. Okay, I might have made a mistake, and we'll talk about that in a bit. If you really want to jack this thing up until your tire is off the ground, okay? If you think about it, like I'm technically like I'm lifting up this car by its entire weight. Ugh. And then that's just because I'm so friggin' strong. Okay, it's gonna make some like, scary noises. That's fine. Break time. Alright, go time. We're almost there. The crazy thing is that if you have more than just one flat tire, you've got to do this more than once. We did it. You and me. We did this together. So now we're gonna go get that little yeah. Alright. Now for my thing, usually your lug nuts will probably be this size to whatever thing you have in the back of your trunk. So we gotta pop this sucker in there. So now might be a bad time to mention I don't really know my lefty loosey righty tighty is. So hopefully I don't mess this up. Okay. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. Alright. So I mentioned that I made a mistake earlier, and the mistake was that usually when the tire's on the ground, that's when you want to loosen the bolts. I didn't do that, so it's going to be way harder for me than if you did it the proper way. Strap up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Never back down, never what? Oh shit, guys. I don't know what that was. Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. Am I recording? Oh, yeah. I can't do it. I'm gonna go look this up real quick. Okay, thank you to Chris Fix. I'd be lost without you. Also, figured out I've been filming in the wrong aspect ratio this entire time. So I made a mistake. You gotta lower. Okay, the mistake I admitted before was the mistake that I'm gonna have to fix right now. So we gotta lower the car. It's okay, cause I'm just so strong. Alright, now that we got that done, and the tire's back on the floor, now we can take these off. And I'm gonna do it with maximum ease because I'm just so strong. Y'all hear that? Sigma. Okay, guys, I can't do it. Alright, guys, now we got gloves, and guess what else we've got? Whoa. Yeah, we got a cheater bar. We got a breaker bar, and we're gonna break her bar. I barely know her. So what this will do is it'll create leverage we need, not because I'm weak, but because these are on there very tight. All right, so that thing's on there, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick that thing right in this little hole. Okay? All right. Hopefully this works. Of course it's gonna work. It's gonna work. All right, just stick it in here, stick in there, like that, and then we push that way. I'm so scared. It's not moving. Guys, it's not moving. Oh, yes it is. I'm so awesome. All right. Now you just got to do that 4 more times. Oh, look at that. Just because I'm so awesome. Just gonna take this off. Oh, wait. Made another mistake. We gotta jack the car back up. You guys like that view? Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna jack up the car. Now remember, guys, there's no issue for someone like me. But make sure that you got it in a safe spot. Yeah. It's so cold. It's so cold. Okay, alright guys. So, other cars are different. They have different bolt patterns. Mine is 5fly100, meaning that I have 5 bolts. So we had to take off 5 bolts. So, you want to make sure you don't lose them, because, well, then you're screwed. But you could, don't let anyone try to tell you that you can't drive around with, oh, you can't be missing any lug nuts. You can, and I have driven like that, and whoever tells you that is a part of the Illuminati, and they don't want you driving your car just because you lost some lug nuts. Okay, so now we're gonna take off the tire. That was so easy. Okay. So here's my non-flat tire, my super not flat tire, and this is what your car will look like after your wheel after your wheel comes off. So now we put the wheel back on, okay? Okay, guys, are you listening? Are you listening? I'm about to tell you something very important, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so I'm pretty sure every car, when you're putting back the lug nuts, you gotta go in a star pattern. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure there's a scientific reason as to why, but I just put it up to bad juju, and nobody wants bad juju, so. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to do this star pattern, lug nut, rotation, tightening ritual, okay? So first you wanna make sure your tire's on there. Obviously this isn't on good because it's not on good. Okay, now that it's on good and you're very sure, like I am, I really hope that this video is recording its audio. I really hope this video is recording its audio. So you wanna tie these up with your fingers, originally, in a star pattern. And hopefully you listened to me and you didn't lose your lug nuts. So you want to go up, down, sideways. Guess what? You'll never believe it.
Man, shut your...
Okay guys, so my camera died and now we're losing sunlight, so we got to do this fast. All right. So I've got the bolts on here, star pattern, remember. So now you're going to want to tighten it with your own muscle. So for people like me, that's not much of a problem because I have so much of it. So I know these are going to be on there pretty tight, as they were previously, as to why I needed that breaker bar. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I need to put the key on there or else it's not going to work. I hurt myself. Alright, then you want to make sure, you want to double check, make sure everything's tight. Okay, now that we got that done, we're gonna unjack off.
What did he say?
Now that we got that done, we gotta unjack the car. Ow, ow! Okay, now that we've unjacked the car, now we gotta put everything back into the car.
Now we're gonna test drive the car, see if the wheel falls off. I don't think it will because I'm just awesome like that. But it's better to test out the car and see if the wheel falls off on some little cruise, better than it falling off when you're driving 80 down the highway. Okay, so I test drove the car. The wheel did not fall off. And I knew it wouldn't. I wasn't scared at all. Okay, so the wheel is making a really weird sound. I think it's gonna fall out. I really hope it doesn't, but it'd really suck if it did. I know it says it in the title, but this is not supposed to have gone wrong. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah.